mo, please. Baka sa loob ka. Guys! Move! Stay on the goggles. Oh, come on, come on.
Second part, when I went to get another part, my goggles hit the side of the bowl.
Don't open your eyes, don't open your eyes. No. It was inside the goggles. It was already in my eye. I just need to get the liquid out.
The curry got inside the goggles, and it burned really, really bad.
Keep your eyes closed. Drop. Eye solution. Get eye solution, please.
Let me get water na rin, please.
Of course, they say don't open your eyes, but you know, I'm still looking at my teammate because I gotta pass this piece. And so I open my eyes, and everything gets in my eyes, and it's just so painful.
A great deal of pain right now.
We have 1 point for Nagar, 1 point for Sarmayi, Magan 0. Round 3. Wait for my signal. Ang kukunin nyo. Chicken head. Ready? Go! Sarmayi is leading. Sumusunod ang Magan. Sarmayi, pinasa kay Trisha. Ipahabol ang Magan. Stop.
The challenge is about body parts of animals, and I'm an animal doctor. So, kung body parts ng animal sa pag-uusapan or body parts or anatomy, siguro masalan ko yan. I asked Bowie na siguro, bro, kung pwede mong ipakita sa akin.
Sarmayi, you only need 1 point to win this game. On this round, ang kukunin ninyo, pig's tail. Buntot ng baboy. Ready, we go! The guy leading. Magan stole the lead. Look first, pinasa na kay Emma. Pinasa na kay Miko. Magan still leading. Stop. Magan 1. Nagar 1. Sarmayi 2. Next round. Wait for my signal. Ang kukunin ninyo, chicken feet. Ready? Go! Nalaglag na Ira!
Nung third na dapat for the win, yung chicken feet, nakagat ko, nung pag ganun ko, umalis na ako, hindi ko sinecure. So pag ganun ko, nung hindi ko siya na-secure, tumilapon. So wala akong nag-go.
Diyan, pinasa ka Michelle! Nagar, making the lead, pero umahabol ang Magan! Malapit na! Naipasa na kay Roy! Stop!
Hindi pa rin kami sumusuko kasi halos lahat naman hindi natin ma-identify kaagad kung sino mananalo dahil lahat parang excited pa na gusto manalo lahat. Pero hindi nga talaga kami pinalad, pero hindi pa rin kami nawawala ng pag-asa.
2 points for Nagar, 2 points for Sarmayi, 1 point Magan. Isang point na lang para sa Nagar at isang point na lang para sa Sarmayi. On this round, ang hahanapin nyo, tuwalya. Ready? Go! Naghahanap ang mga tribe leaders. Lamang ang Magan! Naipasa na ni Solen kay Doc Birds! Naipasa na kay Elma! Naipasa na kay Miko! This could be it! Magan ties the game!
Come on, last one, movie.
We are all tied up!
Tapos humabol kami, naka 2-all. Ganoon kami ka, wow, sabi ko parang, uy, malakas din tong team na to, nakahabol kami, naging 2-all.
We're all tied up! Pwedeng manalo kahit sino sa round na ito! We're all tied up! Pwedeng manalo kahit sino sa round na ito! Wait for my signal!
And it was the last race, the last leg of the race. So we had to win this. Whoever won this round won the reward, which was very important, shelter.
Ang pupuli ninyo! Intestines o bituka! Survivors ready!
Hey!
Go!
We won by a split second. Because not only did my eyes burn, but it dripped. The curry dripped down my body, and it went into my crotch. And guys, men will understand, you know, how sensitive that area is, and it burned really bad, like great balls of fire.
Swerte namin kasi kami nanalo kasi siguro kami yung pinakamagandang tirahan yun. Parang gano'n. Saya! Nakita mo yung bigas? Makita mo lang yung bigas? Kahit bigas lang ha. Ang saya-saya. Kasi feeling ko first time na nakakain ng bigas nung araw na yun.
Parang I think it's also bonding. It helped us bond a little bit because you're so close to someone you don't know so well. Tapos mabaho kami. So, so yeah.
Tiebreaker, di ba? Nauna sa akin si Moy. Ako yung nasa dulo. I actually felt bad. Sinabi ko sa kanya, guys, I'm sorry. Ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Tama ka naman. Mabilis talaga si Moy eh.
Last round, sayang dahil kami na talaga yung manalo dapat eh. Pagkuha ko ng intestines, paglapit ko na kay Solen, nandito na yung mahaba, nadulas.
Congratulations, Nagar! Kayo ang unang nanalo sa ating reward challenge. Come back from behind. Hindi naging madali ang challenge na yun para sa inyo. Pero ngayon, uuwi kayo kasama ang mga kagamitan na ito at special guest na naghihintay para sa inyo. Ang mga losing tribes, pwede na rin kayo bumalik sa camp ninyo kasama ang mga kagamitan. Pero, maghihiwa-hiwalay na kayo ng camp ngayon. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Buhawi, Ira, and John, kailangan pumili kayo ng isang miyembro ng inyong tribo na ipapadala sa Isla Misterio. Ano ang Isla Misterio? Malalaman niya ng inyong katribo pagdating nila doon. At makikita nyo na lang sila bukas bago mag-immunity challenge. Magan, nakapili na kayo ng miyembro?
Apa.
Sino?
Si Solen.
Sarmayi, Akihiro, Nagar, John, you have to choose.
Sure.
Sa mga castaways na pupunta sa Isla Misterio, please step forward. Ito ang mapa, papunta sa isla. Bukas na kayo magkikita-kita kasama ng inyong tribo bago mag-immunity challenge. You guys may go back to camp. Bring your rewards, please.
Who's the flight there? We were entering. Yung entrance sa amin, parang papasok ka sa jungle, parang pili ko nakakatakot. Parang Jurassic Park. Yung laki, parang spacket, nakakatakot. Pero, naman kasi nga, siguro kung ako mag-isa, matatakot talaga ako. Pero nakatulong naman na kasama ko si Solen tsaka si Akihiro.